Hi, Rolf Snobeck here, and thanks for joining me again this week. So here's my question. Is it good to recycle? Probably is. Had an interesting conversation with a client here in the last week where they want to increase the amount of recycling that they're doing from their plant. But they are worried about what that's going to do to their operating budget. They are concerned, however, that at the present pace they will not meet their corporate environmental and sustainability goals. And they're also disappointed by the amount, the quantity, the cubic yards of debris that is presently leaving their facility and going to the landfill. They want to see how they can improve on that. To add to their worry, they have a roof that is going to need to be replaced next year. That's also going into the waste stream, more stuff going to the landfill. But here's the reality. Depending on the type of roof, it's entirely possible that recycling is an option. It may cost incrementally more, there might be a modest investment, and there needs to be some pre-planning done, but it is something to look at. First option, of course, is if you don't need to replace the roof and you can do a restoration, that's something to consider, not even send anything to the landfill. But if it does need to go off, recycling may be an option. But here's the reality. Typically when the decision's made to re-roof, companies get bids, and the quickest, cheapest, easiest way to get that old roof off and off-site is in a dumpster and it goes to the landfill. That's normally the cheapest option. As I mentioned before, a little pre-planning and a modest investment, it's entirely possible that some or all of that roof can be recycled. So, as an example, we recently completed a project where we had 3,700 cubic yards of insulation that were taken off and recycled, and 70 tons of roof membrane, which were taken off and recycled. Altogether, that would have been about 200 dumpsters that normally would have gone to the landfill. So that's a good thing. It took some pre-planning to get there, but it is possible. Not necessarily in every case, but it is something to look at with pre-planning. And if you're a forward-thinking company, this is certainly something that will be in compliance with your ESG plan. If any of this resonates with you, or if you'd like to talk about the options of recycling in your roofing or restoration, let me know. When's a good time, and we can kind of talk through those options. In the meantime, if you have any questions, drop me a line. Hope you're having a safe day, and don't forget to follow me here on LinkedIn at #RolfTheRoofingGuy. Thank you.